going first?
Me? I will. Hey? Yeah, you go first. Alright, you ready? Let me go first. I'm gonna hammer. Come on! Oh. I'll go a bit after you. Right, Jack? Stand up, Jack! Stand up! Pedals even! There we go! That's easy as... I jumped over that log in between that branch. Oi, I jumped in between the branches. Oh yeah. Is there another truck that goes down? Is there another truck that goes down? Huh? Is there another truck? I forget. Oh, make a track! You! Oh! Ha! Rescue pop! Wait, do that track first! Don't go to the toilet yet! Yeah, I know! Oh, what are you doing? Good idea! Best track, I'll go first. Jack, remember, stand up, pedals even. Ready? You! How fun is that? How good is it? Where's the truck, Daniel? Where's the truck there? There's a track that they made to the slide of it. Ah. Where is it? Where's this track? Do you know where it is, Daniel? There it is. Yep. I'm taking it easy. Oh no! Come on! Come on, pussy! Come on! Hey? Oh. Oh. Yeah, Daniel! Got the speed up, mate. Really? Ah, he's walking. Jack, get on and stand up! How good is it? Oh, he's getting on! Good work! Take some balls to ride down that. First time in the bush and you rode down that, you're a legend. And he's doing it perfect, look at him. Yeah, Jack. Do you know how well you did that? Yeah.
And so I was like, oh fuck this. So I was about to hit a tree, put on the front, and I went like over, and I was like running with the bike, and then something like pulled up to me, and I was like, hit my,
You find that you have more traction when you have your brake. No, when you have to let go. I find it easy if I'm on the brakes the whole time. See, I've rolled down most of that without brakes. See, you'll find that if you have your brakes on enough that so they don't lock up, only enough so they're just on, you get you do.
probably like the hard part of the whole life.
Yeah, exactly.
I only fell off once. I went bed on this, then I went on down the other one, the first one. I fell off the first one twice.
It's a big hill. Look at it. Yeah, I'm good. You're going to the river crossing.